White Mountain Avens, Dryas octopetala, is a stunning perennial plant known for its delicate white flowers and beautiful green foliage. Native to Alpine regions, this hardy plant can be a charming addition to your garden. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to successfully grow White Mountain Avens in your garden and enjoy its beauty year after year. Choosing the right location. White Mountain Avens thrives in full sun to partial shade. Select a location in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil before planting White Mountain Avens. This plant prefers well-draining soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.5. Planting White Mountain Avens. Start by digging a hole that is slightly larger than the plant's root ball. Gently remove the plant from its container and loosen the roots. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring that it is at the same depth as it was in the container. Backfill the hole with soil, firming it gently around the plant. Water thoroughly to settle the soil and eliminate air pockets. Watering. Proper watering is crucial for the establishment and growth of White Mountain Avens. Water the plant deeply immediately after planting and continue to provide regular moisture during the first growing season. Afterward, the plant is moderately drought tolerant but will still benefit from occasional watering, especially during dry spells. Pruning and maintenance. White Mountain Avens generally require minimal pruning. Remove any dead or damaged foliage in the early spring to encourage new growth. Additionally, you can deadhead the spent flowers to promote further blooming and a neat appearance. Overall, this plant is low maintenance and doesn't require extensive care. Fertilizing. White Mountain Avens typically thrives in nutrient-poor soils. Excessive fertilization can lead to leggy growth and reduced flowering. However, if you notice signs of nutrient deficiency, you can apply a balanced slow-release fertilizer sparingly in the spring. Overwintering. White Mountain Avens is a cold-hardy plant and can withstand freezing temperatures. In regions with harsh winters, it is best to leave the plant standing, as the foliage provides some protection to the crown. Mulch around the base of the plant with straw or leaves to provide additional insulation. Propagation. White Mountain Avens can be propagated through division or by collecting and sowing seeds. Divide the plant in early spring or autumn, ensuring each division has sufficient roots. Sow seeds in a well-prepared seedbed in the autumn, and they will germinate in the following spring. By following these guidelines, you can successfully grow White Mountain Avens in your garden and enjoy its elegant white flowers and attractive foliage. With its resilience and beauty, this plant is sure to bring a touch of alpine charm to your outdoor space. Happy gardening!